Hello everyone. Right now I would like to show you how to reset grade in e-learning model 3.6 series. So sometimes when we finish our semester and then we come to the new semester, we should uh, reset our lesson model, and we should delete or erase the last term grading the last semester. So I will show you how to reset the grading. So for the first time, as usual, we should log in into our lesson. Now I'll give you the example in my lesson in Indonesian. I would like to reset the grading, usually showing in the grade like this, and then there is a lot of grades like quiz, lesson, assignment, and then and everything else about grading. Now I would like to try to reset or erase or delete the quiz grade here. So are you ready? Let's start. So we come back again to the main menu. As usual, first step is find the gear button in here. Find the gear button in here. In here, this is gear button. Okay, click and then file reset. Here. Okay, so you come to the page reset course. This page allows you to empty a course of user data while retaining the activities and auto setting. Please be warned that by choosing items below and submitting this page, you will delete your chosen user data from this course forever. So, because we will reset a grading, choose the grade in here. Choose the quiz because we will delete only quiz, and then we can checklist delete all quiz attempts. Okay, and then we just reset course. We can also checklist all the option in here. Is depend on what you need. The same also if you want to reset lesson in here, forum, choice, chat, books, and assignment. Also you can do it. The same like to delete the grade in quiz. Yeah, quiz. So many option in here. So I also already make a video how to reset the participant. Sorry, maybe my internet have a problem. Let's try again. Okay, the participant in here, so you can see the video how to reset the participant in this channel. Moodle, save, 3.6. Okay, we will waiting first. Yeah, make sure that you have a good connecting in the when you are edit. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, everyone. Let's try again. So we choose the subject that we will reset the grade. After that, we look at the gear button in here. Yeah. Make sure that the lesson is already exists with the grades like this. Yeah. There is a grade like this. So this is the result that I already reset the quiz. So the quiz is clean already in here. Okay, see? There is no grading in the quiz. Okay. So we are success to reset the quiz. Okay, let's us try again how to reset the lesson, because there's the lesson. Okay, so we come back again in the main page. We doing the same thing. Choose the gear button, and this one the gear button, and then reset, and then we choose now is lesson. Before we choose quiz, right? So again we choose gear button in the main page, and then choose reset. Choose lesson. We choose lesson grade that we will reset. What we do, we just choose delete all lesson attempts and then reset course. Okay. So let's see the result. The grade will be clear or not. Okay, so delete all lesson. Okay, reset course. So this is the next step. We just click continue. Okay, and finish. So our work is finished. How to reset quiz and lesson. And now let us check together. Let's see, let's check together. Quiz is clean already, no grade anymore. And lesson 2, okay? There is no grade in here. So it's very easy how to reset the lesson and the quiz without change the setting. So if there is a problem and then the student will do it again, they can do it. Okay, see you again. My name is Robertus Pujono. Thank you for watching.